In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily access and integrate free Notion templates that can transform your productivity, potentially enhancing it tenfold. This guide will take you through locating, choosing, and applying these resources to streamline your workflow with Notion. First, let's start by navigating our way to the treasure trove of productivity templates. Head over to notion.com/templates, which is known as the official Notion template gallery. Here, you'll find a vast collection of templates that cater to a variety of needs submitted by a vibrant Notion community. This is the hub for everything you're looking for, packed with practical solutions to elevate your organizational skills. Once you've landed on the gallery page, utilize the search function to zero in on precisely what you need. Enter keywords such as productivity, task manager, habit tracker, or project management into the search bar. These keywords will help refine your search, ensuring you're sifting through the most relevant options available. The search tool is quite robust, so feel free to experiment with different terms to see what might lead you to the ideal template for your requirements. Don't overlook the benefits of browsing by category either. Templates are neatly organized into categories like productivity, personal, and education. This categorization allows you to easily explore and discover templates that align with your current goals and objectives, opening up possibilities you might not have initially considered. Now, if you haven't done so already, the next step is creating your own Notion account. This is a straightforward process that ensures you can make the most of the platform's features. Once your account is set up, dive back into the gallery to find and select a template that resonates with your workflow requirements. After locating a template that captures your attention, it's time to bring it into your own workspace. To do this, simply duplicate the template. Duplicating is a user-friendly feature that allows you to make a copy of the template directly into your Notion space. This enables you to maintain its structure while also tailoring it specifically to your needs. The final step is personalizing the template so it mirrors your unique preferences and projects. Go ahead and customize it by adding your own set of tasks, ongoing projects, or personal goals, ensuring that it seamlessly integrates into your daily schedule. This tailored approach allows you to create a more meaningful and effective organization system, maximizing your potential productivity gains. With these steps, you'll be equipped to harness the power of free Notion templates and transform the way you manage tasks and projects. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!